Folks, we got a situation. We got a situation. And this thing's out and about, son. 65, 66 GTO. That is right, Pontiac GTO. What are we doing? Are we just looking at it?
Yeah, just looking.
Man, that baby blue. Come on. The baby blue. The new convertible top. We just got to put on the trim pieces. And this thing is out and about, folks. Golly. Nothing like a good Pontiac GTO. If you don't know, you do now. This is Muscle Car Concepts. Folks, take a look. We'll do a quick walkthrough. 82 Camaro pace car. Getting an LS. 5-speed automatic. Just wait. We're doing more. Satellite. Z28 Camaro. 1968 Dodge Dart with the 392 Hemi. 1970 Cougar Eliminator. That's Clint Chapman. 392 Hemi. Woo! That's right. You dream it, we build it. This is a 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Wide body, custom spoiler on a 17 Camaro subframe. There's the interior. So that means LS, drivetrain, interior. Basically the whole underside is 17 Camaro, 1965 Ford Mustang, 1937 Ford Coupe. Yo, this song? I haven't heard, wow. I haven't heard this song in so long. This is like life-changing. This is the stuff you get pulled over because you're speeding at night to this song. I do a little boogie?
Yeah, you.
Are you gonna record?
No, you. Well, he will. I'm good.
I think the fans want you to record.
No.
Please, please, please. Please.
Yeah. Is it going? Nice.
I practice.
There's almost square dance and stuff right there.
Thank you, sir. This is a 1968 RT Coronet. This guy is Sam Malley. What are you working on? Fill him in.
This is a headlight cover for a 87 Pinto.
77.
77, yeah. See, I don't even know. But yeah, it's all rubber and it's kind of a pain. We're getting at her and we're gonna get her done.
Very nice. Thank you, sir. 50s International Scout. Little lowering action, a little conversion before we start doing the crazy body work. 1970 Chevelle 502. We'll keep that one quiet. You'll see it when you see it, folks. Oh yeah, 1970 Challenger over there. That's getting a Hellcat. 61 Impala, back from frame shop. Kind of an insurance job. 30 coupe fenders. 50s Chevy cab. That's getting an LS. Custom interior. Guys, we do custom upholstery. If you didn't know, you do now. That is what we do. Custom fab, custom paint, custom upholstery. You dream it, we build it. Amen. Let this showcase that, son. Oh my goodness. What a beautiful day. We got some energy in here, folks. Right? That's your Chevelle hood. If you don't know, look at the lines. You already know that's gonna be a perfect paint job. You already know. Folks, that thing is looking excellent. That is block sanding at its finest. Johnny's Cab, 1970 Nova. 70s K10. 1968 Jaguar E-Type. Folks, if you don't know, Mike is the expert. Oh my goodness, the body lines. Body lines, body lines. 1970 Challenger. 1974 Hellcat Swap Challenger. Coming along, final high build stage right before the last primer, and then painted a B5 blue.